Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing that review on those brand new tires that I put on. So let's get into that. I've put about 500 miles on the tires since I've gotten them. If you haven't seen the initial video, these are the General G-Max AS05s, plus sized, in 245 4019 98W, which is the speed and load rating. So W's rated for a higher rating than stock. So far, like I said before, the tires ride 10 times better than stock as far as comfort, road noise. I'm gonna play a quick clip for you right now between the OEMs over a particular road that I was driving on, and then I'm gonna play the same clip, or rather the same road, with these tires, and I'll show you the difference in how much noise actually is deadened from these tires. It's way quieter, so you'll see the difference in that. I'm going to play that for you right now. So after seeing those clips, you could definitely see there's a pretty big difference in sound. That's one of the best attributes of this tire so far. I did get to drive it in the rain a couple of days ago. It took almost 2 weeks to get rain over here in New York where I am. The rain traction was actually amazing. The hydroplaning resistance was great. The other tires, which are the Goodyear Eagles, the Goodyear Eagle Tourings, they would hydroplane like crazy. I know they were getting older, but even when they were new, they weren't that good as far as rain. The actual traction was good. The car felt very, very well planted in the rain, like a lot of traction, and it definitely inspired confidence with bad weather. I don't have a review as far as snow because we just got out of that season. I don't think we're going to be getting any snow, so I'm not going to hold up the review just for snow because that will be next winter, so I'm not doing that. But yeah, as far as the rain goes, excellent. The hydroplaning resistance, excellent. The water, you could just see it blow out of the sides of the tire. It's not floating or pulling very much. I hit a couple of deep puddles purposely at speed, and I was pretty impressed. The next thing I want to get into is dry traction, straight line performance. To be honest, from a feel, it doesn't feel all that much different. The type of spin it's actually doing, it's kind of a more of a choppy spin at points where like breaking loose and it's like chopping, versus the other tire that was just constantly squealing. So it leads me to believe it's slightly better traction. It's kind of hard to tell because I need to actually get numbers from my dragy, and once I do dragy testing, then we could definitely know for sure that they are better straight line performance tires. So that's still to be determined. I'm going to make that video pretty soon. But as far as everything else is concerned, so far I am extremely happy with these tires. Even if they didn't perform any better straight line, just with everything else I've gained, I would hands down purchase these tires again, especially for the price point that they're at and everything they're able to do. So big thumbs up for these so far. Also, I'll just go over the sidewall difference with you guys and how it actually looks once again, and then we'll just conclude this video. So like I was saying, these tires are plus sized, 245 40 19. So what actually happens is the sidewall gets larger, as I explained in the initial video. So since this car is also lowered on H&R Sports and it has H&R 20mm wheel spacers, it's definitely closing that wheel gap, which makes it look a lot better. So that extra little bit of height is helping. It's helping with the ride quality, and it's wider as well. And I almost forgot one of the most important things. They actually handle better. These things have a ton of grip on a turn, nice and stable, no squealing when you take a turn real hard, so the tire grips very nice on corners, like off ramps, on ramps, that sort of thing. And basically turning is very good, response is very good. It's not like a numb tire where if you turn the wheel a little bit, the tire responds very nicely. So that's another plus for this tire. And there's one more thing I forgot to mention. These actually had a rebate, and I got it in just today. So that's pretty cool. It was a $70 rebate if you bought 4 of these tires, so that makes it even more worth the buy. So guys, if you have any more questions or any questions in general, just put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Overall, like I said, these tires, I give them an A+. I'm very happy with them. I don't regret the purchase at all. So if you're looking for a tire to put on the car because yours are worn out, this is definitely a great option. I'm sure there's other very good options as well, but this is the one I chose, and so far I'm very, very happy with it. So remember to like the video. I'm going to be making more videos on these tires as far as draggy runs and quarter-mile runs. We'll see if we can get better times, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next time.